tapeworm. Oh, just sit down with that.
Haley. I just sang a Vocaloid song and you didn't hear it.
I just got mauled by Jillian and Kayla.
Lame excuse.
She put book on floor. She is evil.
I didn't.
Evil. Shunned.
Red Bull gives you wings.
God.
Run, Forrest, run!
Lame.
That's how you get rid of 3 idiots with 1 book.
And you see what I have to sit with every day.
I do too, and yeah. Violence is never the answer.
Yes, it is. It's always the question.
No.
The question.
The answer is yes.
Yes, that thing.
And
Violence is a question. The answer is yes.
And look, this is what happens when I have too much cream soda. Just forewarning you, Jupiter. Or
This is what happens when she has cream soda.
too much cream soda. Oh my God! I love tacos. They're awesome. You know what? I want to get a taco. I need tacos. I need them to explode. Happens to me sometimes.
No idea how hard you hit me on the head.
Your quote.
No idea.
Sugar rush over now.
Honestly, it's true, and that's what really scares me.
Yes, that and cherry Kool-Aid.
You say bad kitty and hit Haley on the head.
Bad kitty!
They killed me.
Bad kitty!
Bad kitty.
No, kitty, no, bad kitty, no.
As you know, we do a lot of product placement in our show, and Red Bull gives you wings. Red Bull doesn't actually give you wings.